I'm Steve, and welcome to the AI Beginner Academy podcast. Welcome to a special audiobook bonus series here on the AI Beginner Podcast. Let's jump right back in and dive into Chapter 6. Chapter 6, AI for Work, Business, and Everyday Life. Boosting productivity with AI, writing, emails, brainstorming. Let's face it, work is full of repetitive, time-consuming tasks that drain creativity. Emails, reports, meeting notes, and outlines all compete for your attention. AI can help you handle the busy work so you can focus on the meaningful stuff. The beauty of AI is that it doesn't get tired, distracted, or need caffeine. It's always ready to help you draft, plan, summarize, or brainstorm. Used wisely, it can turn an 8-hour workday into something that feels productive. Here are a few ways to use AI to get your time and sanity back. Writing and editing. AI can help you draft first versions of reports, proposals, or marketing copies. It won't replace your ideas, but it can give you a strong starting point. You can say, write a 300-word summary of this report in plain English, or edit this paragraph to sound more confident and professional. If you write regularly, tools like ChatGPT or Claude can become your co-editor. They'll catch tone issues, grammar mistakes, or wordiness faster than you can say Grammarly who. Email drafting. AI can turn vague notes into polished messages. Try prompts like, write a short, polite follow-up email about the proposal I sent last week. Or, draft a friendly reminder to the client about tomorrow's meeting. Many email platforms already integrate AI directly. Copilot in Outlook or Gemini in Gmail can suggest full messages or summarize long threads so you don't have to scroll endlessly. Brainstorming ideas. Stuck on a blank page? Ask AI to brainstorm with you. You can prompt it with, give me 5 creative ideas for a new product launch. Or, what are 3 ways to explain this concept to non-technical users? Think of AI as your non-judgmental thought partner. It never gets tired of your what-if questions and doesn't mind bad ideas along the way. Small business applications. Marketing, automation, customer support. Small businesses and freelancers are often stretched thinly. There's never enough time, budget, or staff. That's where AI levels the playing field. It gives small teams access to the same kind of efficiency that used to require big company resources. Here are practical ways small business owners are already using AI every day. Marketing and content creation. AI can help you write blog posts, product descriptions, newsletters, and social media captions. You can even ask for variations by tone or audience. Example prompts. Write a short Facebook post introducing our new coffee blend in a friendly, conversational tone. Or, create 3 versions of a headline for a small business blog about productivity. AI image tools like Midjourney or Canva's Magic Media can generate custom graphics, logos, or add images without hiring a designer. Customer communication. AI chatbots can handle simple customer questions 24/7. Things like, where's my order? Or what's your refund policy? They can free up human staff for more complex issues. Even if you're not ready for a full chatbot, AI can still help by drafting FAQ responses or email templates for common inquiries. Automation and organization. Tools like Zapier or Make connect your apps together so repetitive tasks happen automatically. For example, when someone fills out a contact form, AI can write a thank you email. When a new lead comes in, it can summarize their info for your CRM. You don't need to be a programmer. Most of these automations are drag and drop simple. Data and insights. AI can also analyze data for you. Whether it's sales trends or customer feedback, you can paste raw information into ChatGPT or Copilot and ask for a plain English summary. Try, summarize this sales data and highlight 3 insights or trends. Suddenly, you have a personal analyst without adding anyone to payroll. Time-saving ideas for professionals and freelancers. Whether you're a manager, consultant, educator, or freelancer, AI can help you work smarter. Here are a few everyday scenarios. Meetings. Tired of endless note-taking? AI tools like Otter AI or Microsoft Teams' built-in assistant can transcribe meetings, summarize key points, and even generate follow-up tasks automatically. Reports and documentation. Have a pile of information that needs to be condensed? Feed it to AI with a simple prompt. Summarize this document and create bullet points for a presentation. It's like having a personal assistant who loves paperwork. Presentations. PowerPoint with Copilot or Canva's Magic Write can turn your ideas into slides instantly. You can even ask for design suggestions and talking points. Project planning. Use AI to build checklists, roadmaps, or timelines. Prompt example. Create a simple 3-week launch plan for a new podcast, including tasks for marketing, production, and outreach. Freelancers. AI can help you pitch faster and sound more professional. Write a short proposal for a social media manager offering monthly content creation services. It can also analyze your contracts or generate invoices. Just double-check the details before sending. And here's a personal favorite example of using AI for something completely different: music. I play guitar terribly. When I pick it up, people tend to frown, leave the room, or ask politely, "I thought you said you could play guitar?" It's tragic and kind of funny, but also true. For years, I played purely by ear, learning random songs badly and frustrating everyone, including myself. So, I finally decided to let AI help. I asked ChatGPT to create a personalized learning path, complete with daily practice sessions, chord progression exercises, and tips for building proper technique instead of the freestyle chaos I'd been doing. What it gave me was better than anything I'd found on YouTube. A structured method built around my goals, the time I had available, and the kind of music I liked. It didn't magically make me sound like Eric Clapton overnight, but it gave me a plan, and that made all the difference. The point is, AI isn't just for professionals or coders. It's a universal productivity partner. Whether it's automating reports, creating marketing materials, or, finally, learning to play guitar without clearing a room, AI can meet you where you are and help you improve faster than you could alone. What to try this week mini guide. Let's make it practical. Here are 5 simple things you could do this week to put AI to work immediately. No coding, no setup, just results. Day 1, email cleanup. Ask AI to summarize or rewrite one long email thread in your inbox. Use the summary to reply faster and move on with your day. Day 2, brainstorm power hour. Pick a problem you've been overthinking, maybe a blog topic, project name, or marketing idea. Spend 20 minutes brainstorming with AI. Let's suggest, remix, and refine your thoughts. Day 3, delegate a report. Take a document, spreadsheet, or article and ask AI to summarize the key takeaways in bullet form. You'll be amazed at how much time you save. Day 4, create a post or ad. Use AI to write one short social media post or product blurb. Even if you don't publish it, you'll learn what kind of prompts produce the best tone. Day 5, automate one routine task. Use a free tool like Zapier to connect 2 apps you use often. For example, when a form is submitted, send an automatic thank you email. Each of these takes 10 to 20 minutes, and by the end of the week, you'll have real results, not just theory. The bigger picture. AI doesn't just make your work faster, it changes the shape of work. It helps you spend more time on judgment, creativity, and human connection, and less time on repetitive stuff. The trick isn't to hand everything over to AI. The trick is to know what to keep for yourself and what to delegate. Once you figure that out, you'll never look at a workday the same way again. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with me today. I hope you're enjoying the book so far. If you'd like simple, friendly ways to learn AI at your own pace, you can explore more at aibeginner.net. And while you're there, be sure to check out our awesome and affordable courses. I appreciate you being here, and I'll see you in the next chapter.